Yo, real talk. Ever been with someone who checks all the boxes, looks good, treats you right, but something still feels off? Like the spark is there, but the bond, that deep emotional connection, just isn't. Well, today I'm going to break down the psychology behind real connection and how you can build it so strong your relationship becomes basically unbreakable. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because what I'm about to share isn't some cheesy TikTok-level advice. This is real psychology, real research, and real-life relationship hacks people in the US swear by. Welcome back to the channel, fam. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, because we drop real psychology, real relationship game, and real self-growth tips every single week. No fluff. No fake guru energy. Just solid, proven information you can actually use. Today, we're diving deep into how to build a strong emotional connection with your partner, because, let's be honest, physical chemistry fades, looks change, and butterflies only last so long. But emotional connection, that's the glue that keeps couples together for decades. So grab your coffee, grab your partner if they're around, or grab your notebook if you're taking notes, because we're going all in. Section 1. What emotional connection really is psychology-based? Most people think emotional connection means talking a lot, spending time together, saying I love you, but psychology defines emotional connection differently. According to attachment theory, true emotional connection happens when both partners feel safe, seen, understood, valued, emotionally supported, able to be vulnerable without fear. It's when your partner becomes your home base, your safe zone, your person. Quick example, you're having a crappy day. You vent. Instead of your partner saying, just get over it. Damn, that sounds tough. Talk to me. I'm here. That's connection. That's intimacy. That's what most couples are missing. Section 2. Why some couples struggle with emotional connection. There are 5 major psychological reasons. 1. Different attachment styles. Avoidant partners pull away when things get emotional. Anxious partners worry about losing the relationship. Secure partners communicate openly and calmly. Example, your partner grew up in a home where emotions were ignored. They may shut down instead of opening up. That's not them being cold. That's conditioning. 2. Fear of vulnerability. Some people grew up believing vulnerability equals weakness, so they never open up emotionally. 3. Past trauma. Emotional wounds from exes or childhood make connection difficult. 4. No emotional tools. Nobody taught them how to express feelings, communicate, or connect. 5. Lack of safety in the relationship. When people feel judged or criticized, they stop sharing.
Section 3. How to actually build a strong emotional connection step by step using real psychology, plus real examples, plus real results. Step 1. Create emotional safety first. You cannot build connection without safety. Safety means you don't mock your partner's feelings, you don't weaponize their vulnerabilities, you don't shut them down, you don't dismiss emotions. Example, partner, I'm stressed about money. Bad reply, stop overreacting. Good reply, I get why that stresses you. Let's figure it out together. That sentence alone builds connection. Step 2. Share real use stories, not surface level talk. Deep connection comes from self-revealing conversations, stories about your fears, your dreams, your childhood, your purpose, your insecurities, your memories, your challenges. Sharing your truth creates emotional intimacy fast. Example, instead of saying, "I don't like yelling," say, "Yelling triggers me because I grew up in a loud, chaotic home." That's depth. That's connection. Step 3. Validate your partner's emotions. Game changer. Validation is the #1 psychological tool for connection. Validation does not mean agreeing. It means understanding. Exemplis, I hear you. That makes sense. I get why you feel that way. Thanks for telling me. Validation makes your partner feel valued, respected, and emotionally safe. Step 4. Do connection rituals daily. These are small things that build huge emotional closeness. 10-minute daily check-ins, evening talks, morning kisses, hug for 20 seconds, eating together, putting your phones away, tiny rituals, stronger band.
Step 5. Learn your partner's emotional language. Everyone connects differently. Some want deep conversations, some want physical affection, some want appreciation, some want quality time, some want acts of service. If you don't speak their emotional language, connection weakens. Step 6. Create shared experiences. Neuroscientists found that couples bond stronger through new activities, adventures, challenges, laughter, shared goals. The brain links those moments with emotional closeness. Example, trying a new restaurant gives connection boost. Traveling gives connection boost. Working out together gives connection boost. Step 7. Listen like you actually care. Most people listen only to respond, not to understand. Real connection requires eye contact, no interruptions, no phone scrolling, asking deeper questions, being present. Example, partner, work was hell today, instead of, yeah, same here. Try, tell me what happened. What made it stressful? Boom! Emotional bonding activated. Step 8. Be emotionally transparent, not mysterious. Tell your partner what hurts you, what scares you, what you want, what you need, what makes you feel loved. Connection requires clarity. Step 9. Repair conflicts the right way. Psychology is clear. It's not fights that end relationships. It's the lack of repair. Healthy repair examples. I shouldn't have said that. My bad. I understand your side now. Let's fix this together. Small repair, massive emotional intimacy.
Step 10. Build future plans together. Emotional connection strengthens when partners share goals, dreams, visions, plans, lifestyle desires. Example, what kind of life do we want in 5 years? That question builds closeness instantly. 3 questions for my audience. Question number 1. What do you think is the hardest part about building emotional connection? Question number 2. Do you know your partner's emotional language? If yes, drop it in the comments. Question number 3. Which step are you going to try tonight to improve your connection? Alright fam, that's a wrap. If you made it this far, you're already way ahead of most couples out there. Emotional connection isn't some fairy tale thing. It's a skill. Something you build daily with intention, honesty, and a whole lot of heart. If this video helped you, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe because we're dropping more psychology-backed relationship lessons every week. Take care of your partner, take care of yourself, and remember, love only grows when connection grows. See you soon.